Hello guys, welcome back to new tutorial. Today I am showing you how to create a restore point. System restore help you revert back your computer state, included system file, installation application, Windows registry and setting to that of all running time where your system was working properly in order to recover the system from malfunctions or other problem. Anyway, without wasting any time, let's see. You can open System Restore Windows by going the usual way, that is through the control panel, or if you want to get it right, just type Restore Point in the search field and hit enter. Go to System Protections tab under System Properties, click the Configure button. Here you can also manage the amount of space it uses, and if you have a drive with a small capacity, then you might consider it turning down a bit. Click the create button and flow on screen wizard to create a restore point. Okay, that is all for now. Hope you guys found it useful. Thank you for watching this video.